Ka office jong ka district social welfare officer Ribhoi district nongpo ka khot application na ka banta kini ki post harum bahap hapo ka Meghalaya program for rehabilitation of person with disabilities or MPRPD schemes haka contractual basis kata kabadai hapo ka blok umsning jirang umling bat bhoi rembong si an di blok Ribhoi district nongpo ini gidi ki post kabanukong post name lane kerteng jong ko post multi-purpose rehabilitation worker lane MRW ka age limit phila ban pandam kibalap dap ya kerta ka bakhat pras name hadu life ars name shajrong but kandon ru ka relaxation na kabanta ki scheduled tribes kata kabadai sans name kata kabamut hadu life news name phila ban apply na bunda kate ka post ka number of post pade kandon artali ki post nangta ka jingsiu pade lane ka salary kandai kadwe hajar life spa shpo tangka shibanai but ka qualification ipane ke bala pandep class 12 lane 10+2 pass work experience preferable lane ki khampar khat egito ki bala trei lane ki bala experience hapo ka kam jong ki disability dilakar pat iginu ki bala don experience hak bay dei bat kini ki disability te sumha ban pandap lane late ban apply na tak te ki post atali but ka jaka jong kate ke post ke balai kade hapo jirang blog kawi ke post but hapo bhoi rembong kawi ke post but ke post ke baal kande community based rehabilitation worker lane CBRW but karta kande hi kumju khat pradu life arts name but sans name ke relaxation nang benda ki ST lane scheduled tribes namba opus hangne ru kande atli ki post but ka jingsiu pade hangne kande shpo jar chispa khatsau tangka shibanai but ka kardan pule ki pani ki bala pandep class 10 shajrong but ka work experience kande ya kitu ki bala treiteng hapo ka disability she's name AA but a place of posting lane kajaka kabalai kande hapo umling block under Bernie Hart area kata kabadi hapo ka circle jongga Bernie Hart Nerbong Kiling bat Piling kata tina kabata kiwi padi kipus ka balai basau bat basan kide hikumju kata kabadi jongga community based rehabilitation worker CBRW but ka age limit namta kite ki post kande hikumju prado life arts name but sans name ka relaxation na kabanta ki ST but ka total number of posts na kabanta ka post ka balai kande atli ki post na kabanta ka post ka basau kande southly ki post but na kabanta ka post ka basan kande lightly ki post but na kabanta ka post ka ba lai ka jingsiu kande hi shpo jar chispa khatsau qualification ki bla pandep class 10 but 1 year experience but ka jaka balai kande hapo jirang block anda patar khma area kata pihak ban cover ya ki khandu tli ki shinong but kumjuru ka penker area khanyu tli ki shinong namda ka post ka ba sau pade ka jingsiu kande hi khatwei shpo hajar chispa khatsau but kipan ru ya gibala pandep class 10 but 1 year experience lane chis name ka experience hobay day but ka disability ka jaka ka balai kande hapo umsning block under GS circle kata ka badai hapo umsiang umlaper mauhati maulengkhung umsning 0 point saulum but maulengdep tenang bata ka post kabakhadu pade kandon lightly ki post but kajingsiu kande hpo jarsis pakhat sau ipani ki bala pandep class 10 shajrong but chis name ka work experience hokai day but ka disability but ka jaka ka balai kande hapo bhoi rembong block under GS circle kata ka badai hapo umyam umroi bhoi rembong but kerdem dikini kide kita ki post ki balai hapo ka district social welfare officer Ribhoi district nongpo yang ni pe kumno bo phin apply na umtai kite ki post ki ba pher de la kerpat na kumta ki applicants la ne ki candidates ki bakwa ban apply na kumta ki post ki ba pher kide bandon ya ka domicile residence kabde na po kite hi ki block shushu ya ki application forms ki haban de submit hapo ka district social welfare officer Ribhoi district nongpo haka kanta trade kam ko jongki but the last date kaba phila ban submit ikite ki application kande hadu ka 8 tarik banai Jun 2020 haka kanta trade kam ko jongki nangta yak application form phila ban yo lengba phi download lengba ka link ka bangan sabu apo ka description box ko jonga but pihak ban attach ru ya ki certificate ki ba pher harangkat ka attested copies lane ka bapila pensisa dala dehi nangta susu kando ya ki application forms ki bapila de pendap pihak ban attach ru bat ka voter ID ban pensisa bapide nagite hi ki blog pihak baru ban ra artli ki passport size ki ba dang thamai lane ki ba phidang sudaption kawai pihak ban attach hapo ka application form bat kawai pade pihak ban submit hakapor ba philate ban submit yakate ka application forms but kabakhadu hakapor ba phi mood ban submit yaki application forms ki jongpi pihak ban tap haki envelopes harangkat bat ki postal stamps ba pihak ban ta kate ka envelopes but sa submit ru kate ka office jongga district social welfare officer Ribhoi district nongpo ya ki candidates ki apply na kumta kite ki post ki ba pher in penle lane in pentho da ka written test but ru enjit tanglai ngut na ka banta ka final lane ka bade ka personal interview shim ya kane ka kabu na kumta kite ki padlock ki bade na kite ki block ki ba pher ki ba hapo Ribhoi district nongpo download ya ki application forms lengba ka link ka bangan sabu po ka description box pendap bat late no ban submit shwa ban code kate ka arphandu tarik banai Jun 2020 tinga comment ba pila sungthu nang ta kite ki post ki ba pher dia na kumta ki parlo ki badang thamai nga karpat ya phi ba phinya share like and subscribe na kumta ki jing tip ki bandang wan